Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? Everything is going very badly, my friend. You can see here very bad condition this time in the crypto market. Minus 16.39%. The price is pales down. So don't worry, my friend. I have something very special information for all of you. I hope after that you also very good get a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. My friend, this time the Dent coin price is very badly dips down because as you can see 0.006 USD dollar is the highest price, but the current price is 0.005. So I think it's very big difference, my friend. But don't worry, my friend, absolutely after a short term every coin will take a very huge pump now. Absolutely, you can see here, my friend. Just and only I'm going to show you, my friend, something, the circulation of Dent coin. Every coin will moving in this circulation, but try to understand, my friend, to just and only as you can see here Dentcoin, my friend, this month result is going very good. Now you can see here 9.46% they will get a profit. So I think this is not a short the jump, my friend. You can see, my friend, absolutely every coin will moving in this circulation to after a dump they will pump. So after a pump they will also dump. So therefore after this dump they will 100% pump up, my friend, and they will give you a profit. So Dent coin holders, my prediction, my opinion is 100% going positive, and I advise you, for all of you, please remember, I cannot make a financial video. I just advise you, please hold on. And my friend, in upcoming time, especially after the mid of month, I am 100% sure to Dent coin will get a profit. So therefore I will notify you to hold on. I hope, my friends, Dent coin will make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching, Dent coin holder. Please don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% positive, 100% profit at the end of month. Especially every coin will moving upward. So therefore I hope to Dent coin will completely, my friend, go to the moon now. So let's see holders what they do. But please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.